Are you listening? Damn.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Um, Still haven't got any confirmation number on the parts I ordered from the place I ordered them. But I don't know. That's weird. They're a legit company, so I'm just betting on. I emailed them and they haven't gotten back to me, but whatever. We'll see how it goes. Today I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna fix this. Sometimes it's broke, sometimes it's fine. Works fine. Maybe, see? I have it, might as well install it. Okay, so you guys saw me struggling with this earlier. The reason why is not the second bolt here. That one was fine. You just move this little side bracket here to this way, and then you stick it extension in, and it comes out. And the main thing is this thing right here. There's no, I don't know any secret to it. And if you guys do know it, let me know. There's no like backing out this barb. It's meant to stay there like forever. And so I think every time you replace a door, you're supposed to have this brand new one, which the new one comes with. Comes with a new one. But what a pain. A lot of cussing. And this one seems to be okay. It's just old, I guess. I think it's just dirty. I'm going to throw this one in though, the new one. I'm already here, so I might as well. But what I'm going to do is use the old connecting piece here, so that if I ever do need to take it out, I don't have to worry about breaking this as much. This will be enough to hold it in. I don't even want to replace it. It's not broken. Nothing's broken. Maybe I won't replace it. I'm just gonna grease it up. Oh, I see a little bit. A lot of scoring right here. See all that scoring? Really deep grooves. But that's not necessarily broken. Oh, here it goes. Here's the broken piece. There it is. Now I have a reason to replace it. Right there. This piece is supposed to be a solid piece like this. See, it's broken. And this pin is supposed to go in. There it goes. Now it's all the way in.
Are you listening? Damn.
See, now it's not scraping. But I'm still gonna replace this since I already have it out. This will work fine though. just gonna take this little clip off real quick here. The reason why I'm using the old one is I do plan to paint the car, so I might as well have like a clip that I'm not going to worry about breaking. And these are definitely the weak links here. These pieces here, this piece right here, these arms could have been built out of metal, but this saves money, as I'm 100% sure it does. And all you do is you slip this part in like this, it slides up and then down. That's it. Brand new door handle for a piece of junk car. But what eventually will become a beautiful Corolla. You have to invest into it, I guess. Let me do the reverse, install everything, and then you'll see. There you have it. Took me a while. Regretted my life for a few seconds there. Everything's all done, all fully adjusted. Let's check it out. Locked. It's been a while. Locked. Unlocked. Butter. That's it. That's all she wrote.